Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section and also share. Without wasting my time, let's go straight to the point. Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve insufficient storage problems. So now let's get started. As you can see, I have insufficient storage space running out here. So I'm gonna teach you a way to solve it. So you need to go to your phone settings, then click on apps and notifications, then click on see all apps. Now you can see all your apps listed here. So you need to go ahead and clear all the cache storage of your apps. So now let me start by clicking one of the apps, then click on storage. As you can see, it has no cache in the storage. Now let's go ahead. Now it has cached 4.73 megabytes. So go ahead and clear the cache. So clear cache, then go back. Now continue by clicking all the apps and clear all the cache. Clear cache, YouTube, go. You are going to clear all the cache until that notification disappear. So storage, yeah, you can see YouTube has cached 71 megabytes. Clear cache, yeah. It has, yeah, so clear cache. Was web, clear cache. So now as you can see, it has disappeared, but the notification has disappeared. So now we have enough storage. So if it has not disappeared, go ahead and clear some of the cache. Yeah. If it has not disappeared, go ahead and clear the caches so that you have more storage. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for clicking this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. I'm out.
Dwayne the producer.